Hi guys, how are you? In this video, I'm going to show you how to start an online business from home as a beginner, so you too can create income online on a daily basis. Start from today. So, if you'd like to learn even more ways to create money online with no experience needed, please subscribe to my channel now and click on the bell icon, and every time I will publish a brand new video, you'll get notified. Well, guys, the idea is that in these days you don't need much to start an online business. It's not like back in the days when you had to have capital and you had to go and I don't know, like open places like physically and raise a lot of money in order to succeed. But uh, that days are over. Okay, now you can start an online business from scratch from your home or wherever you want, from the laptop you have, with a very simple steps. But you do need to have a very strong mindset, okay? Because today anyone can start an online business, which means a lot of people do it, which also means that you can success only if you do it correctly. But if you do have this mindset and if you know how to do it correctly, you have a lot of good reasons to start. For example, it's not that expensive in relatives to other brick and mortar businesses. You have a major potential to grow. An online business can run 24/7 even if the owner of the business is not physically there all the time. The business, if you do it correctly, can work for you. There are a lot of very good methods to start an online business online. Drop shipping, drop servicing, print on demand, Amazon fulfillment, and Amazon like FBA, and so on and so forth. Affiliate marketing, and everything is like good, but you need to choose what is the best for you. And I personally do affiliate marketing. I discover like this is the best of them all after passed through all of them during the last 10 years or so, just to eventually succeed the way I want to succeed with affiliate marketing. If you'd like, I can share another video about this and how I did it. Actually, you can check here, somewhere up here in the video. You can see the other video I did about affiliate marketing. But right now, let's talk about the steps you need in order to start a successful online business from home. And if you stay with me to the end, we will talk about the most crucial element in all of that if you don't have, you can start whatever you want. You probably won't be able to succeed the way that you want, to be able to make it as a passive income, make it work for you while you sleep, travel, do whatever you want, play games, go to friends, and so on and so forth. So the steps are, and it's very simple, guys, everyone knows it, but it's not enough. You have the blueprint, I will give you the blueprint, but you need to know much more better than this in order to succeed. And I'm basically talking about the mindset. Okay, it's very important. It's actually more important than the blueprint itself. Let's start from the blueprint. The first one, you need to determine what is your niche or your business idea. By niche, it can be like, okay, so the top 3 niches that most of the successful people, like entrepreneurs and online entrepreneurs, take and choose are health, wealth, and relationships. Why? It's like self-explained, I guess. But yeah, you have to choose a very good niche. It can be other stuff. It can be gaming. It can be crypto, sport, pets. What else? Like everything in between. I don't know. Like you have like infinity niches you can choose. And the niche the niche that you will choose, it has to be some sort of like a hobby that you have or a passion that you have. maybe something you have like a very good experience with, maybe a job you had and you know like the niche very good. For example, I left a financial marketing agency recently, and now I'm starting to promote stuff that related to the financial world. This is like an example. So this is the first step, to choose a niche. The second step will be you need to conduct a product research, and by that you have to understand that it's not that just choose something and start. You have to understand your market, you have to understand your target audience, you have to understand who do you talking to, who, like women, men, both of them, ages, what are their demographics, like where are they coming from, where what are they like to, what they like to do, what are their hobbies, like what do they like to travel, do they like to do online shoppings, what exactly do they like, and even more deeper, like what are their pains, what are their problems, what they are searching to solve, okay? What is bothering them that you can solve. Based on that, you will be choosing your product, and it's very, very important step. A lot of newbies, beginners, online entrepreneurs starting and do it like very surface level. You want to invest time in this step, okay? This step will be very crucial in the later, because you want to make sure that you actually solve some problem and you're giving value to your audience. Okay, so actually step 3, 4, and 5 are all like one. Then after you have the niche, the product, the audience, and you did a market research, now it's time to start and define your own brand. Okay, what your brand will talk about, and why do you want to start a brand and not just like some general store or something that you can sell through? Because you want to have your own voice in the market in comparison to other players in the market. Okay, so for example, you have like, I don't know, shoes you can order from China in AliExpress. They will be fine, they will be cheapest and everything, yeah, but the quality won't be good and so on and so forth. Then you will probably go, and the first thing you will have in mind while thinking about purchasing, I don't know, shoes, you'll go to Nike, Adidas, and all of these kind of brands, because you already know them, you trust them. Then you want to start and launch your online assets, okay? And then when I'm talking about online assets, it can be a store that you can sell products through. It can be like landing pages, website. You definitely want to start an email list that you can collect leads from, and by doing this you can do basically whatever you want. You don't need to be afraid of Facebook shutting you down, Google shutting you down, YouTube, or any other company that you depend on. It's your list. You can market to your list like in every way that you like. It's like the best asset, if you're asking me, that you want to have. Guys, I just wanted to interrupt this video very quick now and remind you to subscribe, so you will continue to get useful tips and tricks on how to make money online as a beginner from home, with no prior experience needed. Let's get back to the video now. Then, after you have all these steps, you want to start and think about your marketing strategy, okay? It can be paid advertising, it can be content marketing. It can be a mix of them both, which I recommend like the most. And if you want, I have a video about it, like somewhere here or here, so you can learn how to do it and what are the differences and everything else. It's like basically depends if you have more time or more money, you will choose. So guys, if you want to know all these steps and really understand them and to have more clarity with how to do it and have like sub steps to take, and most importantly the mindset, okay, the thing that will take you and really help you to first launch your business, your online business, but then also make sure you can sustain it, okay, so you can continue to do it like very long, because there is no other way. It takes time. It's not like a shortcut. You can press some buttons and then up you get some, you have money fall from the sky or whatever. You have to understand it takes time. It's like consistency. You have to have consistency. You have to be disciplined. You have to have patience and a lot of other stuff actually. But what did it for me, what did it like very easy for me to start, is like a very clear blueprint, a very clear plan on how to do it. What are the steps? And I searched for a lot of time until I found this amazing training that teaching you how to do, I call it like ecosystems marketing, okay? It's like something that I didn't see anywhere on YouTube, like except from this one person who basically showed me that there is a very huge potential that finally made me go and do everything like correctly. And this is the first time I've seen results in less than 30 days taking action on this blueprint, okay, on this on this program. It calls Partner with Anthony. It's amazing. He's teaching you like how to work once and earn recurring commissions from your affiliate marketing efforts. You don't even need to do all the work yourself. He already created the funnel for you, okay? So the landing pages, the ads, the email sequences and everything, like it's already done. You just need to do the steps that we just talked about. Choose a niche, choose a product, teach you exactly how to do all of this. Choose to understand what your target audience is, what to do a market research and everything. It's teaching you like step by step all of these things, and then you will show also where to bring traffic from that not a lot of people, actually I didn't see anyone talks about it. Like it's all the time like Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube and so on. He is talking about these things also, but there are other sources that you might want to know and understand how to use. I did it and I saw results through these other sources like very fast, okay? And I did it just one time, okay? So I put all my effort in creating the foundation to create the funnels and everything, to plug the funnels to my niche. And I've seen my first commission online doing that after a few days. I don't remember like exactly how long it took me, like 2 to 3 weeks. And from then I get commissions month by month based on the same work that I already did. I don't need to chase clients and leads and sales again and again each month. So guys, I very recommend this program, and if you want to check what exactly is that I'm talking about, I added the training link to this program down in this video's description, so you can go there now and check it for yourself. Yeah, you thank me later, don't worry. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go down at the bottom and comment. Let me know what part of the video you enjoy the most. What's your biggest takeout is going to be, and how you're gonna apply it on yourself. Once you've done that, make sure to subscribe, cause I got an awesome videos coming out soon. And if you click on the bell notification icon right now, I'm going to make sure that you won't miss that video, cause I'll notify you as soon as it gets published. Till then guys, see you.